Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Google form and adding a question. This is the first actionable step. Click the plus button to insert a new question and type the prompt. Choose the question type from the drop-down. Multiple choice is default, but you can switch. Once done, add a brief description to clarify intent and make sure required toggles are set if responses must be collected. This gets you ready to add specific answer options efficiently. Next, you'll populate and manage the answer choices for that question. Click Add Option and type each choice, or use Add Other to allow custom responses. To speed up work, duplicate an existing option, then edit it for variants or delete extras. You can drag options to reorder them and enable Shuffle Option Order when you want randomization. Make sure to preview the question so spacing and wording look right before moving to branching or validation settings. Finally, validate and finalize your options so responses are useful. Use response validation for number ranges or text patterns and set the question as required if needed. Preview the full form and test each option to confirm branching or sections work as intended. If an option fails to save or disappears, refresh the editor, clear browser cache, or verify your Google Drive quota. These fixes resolve most sync issues. Once everything tests clean, share the form link or embed it where you need responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.